Hello, in this video I want to show you how to pack your files into RAR and zip archives on Huawei Nova Y90. So in order to do this, first you need to get the app. It's called RAR and we've shown you how to get that in our other video. Now let's open it. From here navigate to the files that you want to pack. And here's 3 pictures which I'm gonna pack into a RAR file. Now click on this plus button. Here you'll be able to change any archiving options, but to make very basic file, you can change name, set a password, or change extension of this particular file, delete files after archiving, or create solid archive. And I'm gonna leave it like that. You can also go for advanced or options to get more settings. In the comment you can leave any description, and after doing everything like this, click OK. That way you'll create very simple RAR file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.